Hey everyone, Evan Fasinger here with another Foremost Media 60-second marketing hack to grow your business. With the global pandemic, consumers are changing their shopping behaviors. Because of this, Google has created a new tool that provides a daily snapshot into what people are searching for on the search engine. It's called the Rising Retail Categories. Now, this takes information a step further than what's already available on Google Trends. You can search for the top trending categories here, either monthly, weekly, or even yearly. Now, the top growing categories, once you select them, you can then go over here to the top growing queries that are in that specific category. This is a treasure trove of information. You can use this information to inspire your content creation efforts, advertising ideas, or even promotion and product ideas. Down below, you can also see which states have the highest search volume here. The best part is that this data updates daily, so you can be sure that the information you're having is up to date. That's it. Hope that helps.